What's going on, guys? So I know it is dark right now. I know it is not the best of lighting, but I am about to be headed out about an hour and a half to the San Jose area. I'm going to be meeting up with the guys at HD Tuning, and we're going to do some fun stuff with the C63 tonight. Get some new tuning done on it, get some more gains. So I'll do some more explaining when I get out there. It's about that time again. Probably going to have to stop here soon.
But now you're not here for them simple discussions. I'm like, fuck it. Yeah. Pray for better tomorrow. Pray for better tomorrow.
So we're looking for a white Porsche Cayenne. Let's see. Never even been to a Tesla supercharger, so I don't even know what these look like. Spotted the Cayenne. How's it going? Good to meet you.
Yeah, John.
I'm excited for this. This should be very epic.
You're Max, Pops, Burbles, and everything, right?
I don't want Max, no. I really want it to be pretty like simple for the most part. I got the Eurocharged like Burble and it was way too much for me. You know Sandstorm C63?
Yeah,
like his is pretty nice. I wanted a little less than his.
His is very extreme.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah, he's got like most. Yeah, Max, do you have any cats or anything
I
else?
have cats right now, but I have long tube headers, so.
Okay, you got the long tube headers. Regular cats, regular muffler as well, right?
Yes.
Right.
Stock catback.
Nice. You got the same. Oh shit. You got the same.
Yeah, steering wheel. Big inspiration. I noticed my shift lights weren't working on the way over here, though. Hoping they start working. So we don't need to untune from the Eurocharge, you said. So what's the whole process?
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up pulling off a read off your ECU.
Right.
And then once I pull the read off the ECU, I'm gonna send this to Matt. Matt's gonna do all the custom tuning. He'll send me a new file. I'll upload that, and then you can go on a test drive and see how we look.
Beautiful. Seems fairly simple. I'm gonna get the dyno tune once I go down to SoCal. So I just drove out about an hour and 20 minutes out to the San Jose area to meet up with HD Tuning. I'm doing a little bit of tuning change up from Eurocharge because I heard these guys are awesome. They have performance gains over Eurocharge, so I might as well go with the best. If you follow Sandstorm C63, I'll link his Instagram down below. He's awesome. Big inspiration for me. The pops that you get from this tune from HD Tuning is insane. Fully customizable, the amount of pops you can get. Underglow. Do Tesla superchargers have Wi-Fi connection?
Yeah, actually, standard they actually have cellular.
Yeah.
So right now I've taken a download of the ECU data, and I'm gonna send this out to Matt.
So he's talking to Matt, which runs the SoCal division of HD Tuning, and he's sending the file to him. He's working his magic. Gonna send it back to
John.
And
NorCal HD tuning.
he's going to upload it. I'll go on a quick test drive, test it out. I'm sure it'll be fine. Once I go down to Southern California in a few months, I'm gonna go to Matt's shop. He has a dyno jet, so we're gonna run it on the dyno jet and get it tuned in. That's where the power will be shown, for sure.
Alright, I sent it to him.
Now we wait.
Yes. Run your engine just a little bit.
Yep.
And make sure that you guys plenty of juice when you tune it. It's dirty.
I love it.
He was saying that the vendor that does this is really, really good. But these, like being normally aspirated, sound awesome.
They sound
So awesome, you know. I think that a lot of the turbo guys, they come to us and they're like, hey, you know, like it sounds amazing.
Yeah.
So now what I'm doing is that I'm got the file from Matt down in SoCal, and now I'm upgrading the latest tune. Here the engine is
yeah, the fans really kick on.
Setting up the tune. Right now we're like 35%, and then we should be ready to roll. Yeah, Matt's been in this tuning business for quite some time actually. Like, he used to be the main tuner for Wisetac in the past.
Oh, really?
It's like over 10 years.
I want to supercharge this in the future. That is
louder, right?
Oh yeah. I was told the dealer won't be able to notice it.
We tune the portion of the ECU that is, you know, changing your like transmission, timing, fuel, everything else. But that portion of it is not interconnected with everything else. And there's like a checksum which makes sure that like everything there looks intact to the dealers.
All right, so the car sounds insane thanks to NorCal HD Tuning.
That's another happy customer.
If you guys are in need of anything, or in the SoCal area even, make sure to hit them up. They got awesome prices and the outcome is awesome.
We're all about customer service, to be honest. Like, there's a lot of people out there that won't go the extra mile, and we believe in customer service. We got our own tuned cars, and we know how hard it is to find someone that's good. So.
Oh yeah. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Alright, well the car is sounding insane. I am parting ways and heading home. It's late, it's 9:13, but I am very happy. Once I head down to Southern California and get the dyno tune on the dyno jet, I'll definitely be filming that and we'll get the numbers and see where we're at, but I'm sure it'll be up close near 500, definitely like 470. I'm hoping for 480. It sounds awesome, the pops are great. Thanks again to HD Tuning, Matt, and John. I'll film some on the way home, but yeah, later. Sounding insane, guys. I'm so happy with it. No, check engine. So I just got home. I just wanted to explain for the check engine light quick. I am pretty sure it's because of my cat situation and how it's set up. I'm sure they just didn't, you know, set it up correctly, or it's just a simple fix like that. I know it's the cats. I'm gonna pull the code tomorrow probably just to make sure, but I'm almost 100% positive it's that because I've had this problem before. Yeah, I'm loving it so far. Everything's great, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Thank you guys for watching. That's all I have for you today. It's late, 10:30. I'm going to bed. I work tomorrow. Good night, guys.
Pray for better tomorrows. Pray for better tomorrows.